Hello, good afternoon viewers. Today is Monday, the beginning of the week, and the 17th day of the month of Ramadan Kareem. As you are watching, this is Ken Righteous Technologies, and today we have come to give you a phone that is having a screen display problem. You see the phone, when you turn it on, the phone will on. You see, and nothing will display. The phone do not display anything. That is idle. You are watching the phone and replace the screen to see whether it will come. If it is another problem without the screen, now we will solve the problem. So let's go. Let's see. So repairing a phone, you need to have all these things. This is a toolkit. And this is a multimeter. That is what you'll be using to trace problems on phone board and laptop boards. So let's come back. Let's open the phone and solve the screen display problem. As you are watching, this is Ken Righteous Technologies. So you will have to apply LED to the new screen. So once you apply LED to the new screen, make sure that there is no grounding on the screen, otherwise you spoil the screen. Okay. This is a screen, a